Let's learn how to schedule your surveys, which will help you to define the period of time when your survey will be active. To enable this feature, go to your settings section, scroll down until you can see the schedule the survey feature and click on it. We can see that a new menu will open immediately. From this menu, we can choose the start date from which our survey will be active and likewise the end date which the survey will be inactive. You can also write a pre-start message to inform your survey takers that the survey is not open yet. In the same way, you can write an expiration message to inform that the survey is already inactive and they cannot fill it. You can also add media to your pre-start or expiration messages. Moreover, you can decide not to show the survey at all when it has not started yet or already expired by clicking the Don't Show Survey option. You can also check whether your time zone is accurate or not by clicking the Change Your GMT button here. And from there, you can already choose your time zone. Do not forget to save your changes.